What is your real name?
Malcolm X.
Is that your legal name?
As far as I'm concerned, it's my legal name.
Would you mind telling me what your father's last name was?
My father didn't know his last name. The last name of my forefathers was taken from them when they were brought to America and made slaves. And then the name of the slave master was given, which we refuse. We reject that name today.
You mean you won't even tell me what your father's supposed last name was or gifted last name was?
I never acknowledge it whatsoever.
Have you really thought about that? I mean, the power of your last name. I mean, I want you to really sit and think about that. I mean, it tells you a lot about not only who you are now, but who you once were. If you really had the chance or the opportunity to change your last name, would you? And also, think about it. What would you change it to?
Brothers and sisters, I'm a Muslim. I believe in the religion of Islam.
Tonight we present the dynamic and controversial leader himself, Malcolm X.
What do you want? To bring about complete respect and recognition of the 22 million black people in America as human beings.
In my opinion, it takes education. The whites have to be re-educated, and our people have to be re-educated so that we will know how to do something for ourselves.
We need an organization that's ready and willing to take action. I'm speaking as a black man from America, which is a racist society.
You wanted some action then, didn't you? Because you don't like the idea of white people shooting black people down, do you?
As long as a white man does it, it's all right. A black man is supposed to have no feelings. But if he stands up and in any way tries to defend himself, then he's an extremist.
Malcolm is the victim of his own preaching.
It's not a case of being good or bad blacks and whites. It's a case of being good or bad human beings. Well, anytime you live in a society supposedly based upon law, and it doesn't enforce its own law because the color of a man's skin happens to be wrong, then I say those people are justified to resort to any means necessary to bring about justice where the government can't give them justice.
There were at least 8 or 10 shots fired.
There's a worldwide revolution going on.
This is the motion picture event that will change the way you see Malcolm X forever.
Do you consider yourself militant?
I consider myself Malcolm.
Malcolm X, the last 2 years.
Okay, I have a few things to say about this, and I want you to be honest in the comments. Let me know first, out of everything that you witnessed in this video, do you have any parts of it that you disagree with and or agree with? If you have any questions, please voice them in the comments. If not me, someone will address it. But I do have one point that I wanted to make. And that point is, this man was loved by so many people. Not just people of the same skin color of him, but he was also hated by so many people. Let me know in the comments, in your own words, of course, why do you feel he was loved by so many? And why do you feel people hated him? Also, I want you to consider subscribing to the channel. Please share this video with anyone you deem necessary. And also, give this page a like.